Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use the startup screen mode in your 2019 Range Rover Sport Supercharged V8. So, in order to access this feature, we must first go to the center console, and we're going to use the bottom half of the center console, and once we do, we're going to click on settings right here, go to display, startup screen. Once you click on this, it will give you options of either climate, seats, driver modes, no feature open, last used, phone, or media. So, in my preference, I like climate because that's the first thing that I adjust in the car once I get in. And basically, every time you turn on the car, it will automatically go to the climate mode or whichever mode that you prefer it in. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.